Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can print sequentially in Bamboo Studio Slicer. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to finish your model on Bamboo Studio. Maybe you have multiple objects right here. Now, in my case, I'm going to use these three objects as an example. Now, before we head over to the sequential printing, I'm going to explain to you that sequential printing is basically a method where your printer will finish or complete one object before it completely starts a new one. So for example, it will finish this object first before it head over to the second one and finally the third one. To do this, you want to head over to the global settings under process. Now, if you're editing, you're probably inside the object section. You want to head over to the global options right here. And basically inside, just click on the others option. Now inside others, you want to scroll down and we have the special mode. From here, you have the print sequence. And then if you don't want to print by layer, now basically what this means is if I click on the slice plate right here, it will then print it, or it will print everything layer by layer. So from here, it will come from the bottom and eventually completes everything all at once. Now, if you don't want that to happen, you want to head over to the print sequence. And since printing sequentially is printing objects one by one, you then want to click on the by objects option. And from there, basically you are printing sequentially. So click on yes, and basically you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.